5 kilowatt 48 volts DE hybrid inverter by LV Tapsan, bound to Atimonan, Quezon. So ang setup nito is requested by client na on-grid system muna, walang battery. So i-test namin yung inverter and set yung parameter settings as on-grid mode. Bali, ito yung AC input power mo, sir, from the grid. Observe the correct polarity of your grid line, neutral and live. Bali, ito yung solar panel input mo, PB array 1 or MPPT string 1 and MPPT string 2. Bali, ito yung positive red wire. Ito yung positive ng second string. Then ito yung limiter sensor mo. Naka-install na rin ito. So, bali, itong output is ito yung EPS nya. In case na mag-install ka ng battery later on, so naka-ready na yung AC output mo. So, we'll check the settings. Check natin yung settings ng system work mode. Yan. Sige, down. Okay na lahat yan. Then grid setting 60 Hz single phase. Okay. Battery tayo is no bat. Okay, no bat siya. Will work as on grid mode. Sige. Basic setting tayo. Ayan. Correct naman yung mga date niya. Okay. So, nakaset na ito for on grid or grid tie function. Bali, itong battery mo is ready lang, nakaabang in case na mag-upgrade ka with battery. Yung setup mo dito, ito yung AC input power from the grid. Ito yung AC output. Bali, naka-bypass siguro yung inverter natin, kaya may output siya sa EPS. DC breaker mo PBRA 2, DC breaker mo PBRA 1, and itong ATS MTS mo is gagamitin to in case na meron ka ng battery at gagamitin mo na yung EPS function ng hybrid inverter. AC output, ito AC input from the grid. Okay, so 5 years manufacturer's warranty.